Are you driving your Acura the way its engineers actually designed it to be driven? Or are you unknowingly shortening its lifespan? Why do some Acura models run flawlessly past 200,000 miles, while others develop transmission, AWD, or electronic issues much earlier than expected? And most importantly, is Acura really as reliable as people believe, or does reliability depend almost entirely on one habit most owners ignore? In this video, we're going to answer those questions step by step, because there is one mistake that quietly affects engines, gearboxes, all-wheel drive systems, and even infotainment reliability in modern Acura vehicles. It doesn't feel dangerous. It doesn't trigger warning lights right away, and that's exactly why it causes long-term damage. Acura has built its reputation on precision, balance, and durability. Under the luxury design, most Acura models share Honda's engineering philosophy: tight tolerances, efficient engines, advanced electronics, and systems designed to work together as a whole. But this philosophy also comes with a condition. Acura assumes owners will use and maintain the car in a very specific way. When that assumption is broken, reliability slowly fades. The most common mistake Acura owners make is treating the car as maintenance-free, simply because it feels smooth and problem-free. Acura vehicles are excellent at hiding early wear. The engine runs quietly. The transmission shifts smoothly. The SH-AWD system works in the background. The infotainment responds quickly. Everything feels fine until one day it isn't. Let's start with the engine. Modern Acura engines, whether naturally aspirated V6s, turbocharged 4 cylinders, or hybrid systems, are engineered for efficiency and low emissions. That means higher operating temperatures, tighter internal clearances, and more reliance on clean oil. One of the biggest long-term killers of Acura engines is extended oil change intervals combined with short trips. Many owners follow the oil life monitor without understanding how it calculates wear. Short trips, cold starts, stop-and-go traffic, and aggressive acceleration degrade oil much faster than highway driving. The oil may still look fine, but its protective properties are already compromised. Over time, this leads to carbon buildup, timing system wear, and oil control issues, especially on direct injection engines. The fix is simple but critical. Change the oil earlier than the system suggests if you mostly drive short trips. Use the correct oil specification, not just the right viscosity. Acura engines are sensitive to oil quality, not just oil level. This single habit alone can add tens of thousands of miles to engine life. Now let's talk about transmissions. Acura transmissions are smooth, refined, and very intelligent, but they are not immune to neglect. One of the most damaging misconceptions is that transmission fluid is lifetime. In reality, Acura defines lifetime as the duration of the warranty, not the life of the vehicle. Automatic transmissions, dual clutch systems, and hybrid gearboxes all rely on fluid not only for lubrication, but also for cooling and hydraulic pressure. As fluid ages, it loses its ability to protect internal components. Shifts may still feel normal, but microscopic wear is already occurring. The step-by-step solution here is straightforward. Follow a preventative fluid service schedule, not a reactive one. If you drive in hot climates, tow occasionally, or spend a lot of time in traffic, shorten the interval. Fresh fluid is cheaper than transmission repairs, every single time. Next comes one of Acura's signature features, SH-AWD. Acura's super handling all-wheel drive system is brilliant. It actively distributes torque to improve handling, stability, and traction. But it is also one of the most misunderstood systems by owners. Many drivers assume AWD only matters in snow or rain. In reality, SH-AWD is working constantly, even in dry conditions. The problem arises when differential fluids are ignored. Rear differential and transfer case fluids degrade faster than engine oil, especially in performance-oriented driving. When these fluids are neglected, owners may experience binding, vibrations, or warning messages, often misdiagnosed as major failures. The fix is preventative maintenance and awareness. Replace AWD fluids at recommended intervals or sooner if you drive aggressively. Pay attention to subtle changes in handling or noises during low-speed turns. Early intervention keeps the system operating as designed. Now let's move inside the car. Modern Acura vehicles are packed with technology, digital dashboards, touchscreens, driver assistance systems, and connected services. These systems are incredibly capable, but they rely heavily on software stability and battery health. One of the most overlooked causes of electronic glitches in Acura vehicles is battery degradation. A weak or aging battery doesn't just cause starting issues, it destabilizes control modules. Random warning lights, infotainment freezes, sensor errors, and even transmission behavior can all be affected by low voltage. Here's the step-by-step fix. Test the battery regularly, not just when it fails. Replace it proactively if voltage drops or if it's nearing the end of its lifespan. And after replacement, ensure the system is properly reset or relearned when required. A healthy electrical foundation keeps every system working correctly. Another silent issue is software updates. Acura continuously improves vehicle software to fix bugs, improve efficiency, and enhance system communication. Many owners avoid updates out of fear or inconvenience. But outdated software can cause compatibility issues, false warnings, or degraded performance. The solution is simple. Stay informed about available updates and address them during service visits. Software is now as important as mechanical maintenance. Finally, let's talk about driving habits. Acura vehicles are designed to be driven, not babied, but also not abused. Constantly pushing a cold engine, ignoring warm-up behavior, or driving aggressively without allowing systems to stabilize accelerates wear. On the other hand, never exercising the engine, transmission, or AWD system can also cause buildup and stiffness. The balanced approach is the key. Allow the engine to warm up naturally. Use the full performance range occasionally once temperatures are stable. Let the systems operate as intended. Acura engineering rewards correct usage with long-term reliability. So, is Acura reliable? Yes, extremely. But only if the owner understands that modern reliability is no longer passive. It is active. It requires awareness, small preventative actions, and respect for how the car is designed to work. If you correct this one mistake, treating your Acura as maintenance-free instead of precision-engineered, the difference in long-term ownership is dramatic. Smoother operation, fewer surprises, lower costs, and a car that feels just as solid years down the road as it did when new. In the next videos, we'll go deeper. We'll break down specific Acura models, common warning signs, hidden features most owners never use, and step-by-step guides to keep your Acura running at its best. Because owning an Acura isn't just about luxury. It's about understanding the engineering behind it and using it the right way.